Okay, let's begin how to configure static routing in Cisco Packet Tracer. Step 1 is assign IP address in the router, and then assign IP address in the PC, test ping, and then we must configure routing table in the network. In the syntax is IP route network destination with net mask and then gateway or next hop. We have topology like this. Firstly, this is a class A network and class B network, class C network. We have 3 router with peer-to-peer use network 1.1.1.0/30 and 2.2.2.2.0/30, and we have 3 switches and connected in the PC A, B, C. Let's move in the packet tracer. Firstly, I can create topology in the packet tracer like this, same as in the diagram, and then configure IP address in the router with enable configure terminal, assign IP address in the gigabit 0/0 with no shutdown, and gigabit 0/1 with IP address 10.1.0.0.1 and net mask is no shutdown. Okay, we must test PCA can reachable in the router 1. Assign IP address, double click in the PCA and set IP in the menu desktop and move IP configuration like this. After that, we must test ping. Okay, success. We must do some work in the router 1 to router 2 and router 3. Enable config terminal, IP address. We must move in the interface. No shutdown. IP address. No shutdown. And gigabit 0/2 with IP address no shutdown. Test ping again from PCB can reachable in the router 2. Set IP address. Set the gateway is IP address in the router 2. After that, we can test ping. Okay, router B can reachable from PCB, and then configure in the router 3. Move in the command line interface, enable configure terminal, set IP address in interface gigabit 0/0, shutdown, move in gigabit 0/1, assign IP address in class C network, no shutdown, test ping again from PCC can disable in router 3. Okay, test again. Please wait. That's right, we successful from PCC can reachable in the router 3. After that, we must configure routing table of the network in the router, because we can set up PCA can reachable PCC, and PCC can reachable PCA, and PCA can reachable PCB, and PCB can reachable PCC. So we must configure a routing table in the router 1, router 2, and router 3 with syntax IP, route, network destination with net mask, gateway on the next hop. Firstly, we must move the configuration in router 1. Configure terminal, IP, route, firstly, we can set up from PCA can reachable in PCB. Network destination, net mask, and the next hop. After that, PCA can reachable router 3. So we must set routing table gateway, or the next hop is 1.1.1.1, and then we must configure PCA can reachable the network in the PCC. This is a gateway, is the IP address of the next hop, like this. So PCA can reachable PCB, the gateway is the interface, IP interface in the gigabit 0/0, and PCB can reachable PCA is gateway is IP address in the gigabit 0/0. So we can move in the router 3. Set IP route, we can configure to PCC can reachable PCB, and PCC can reachable router 1, and PCC can reachable PCA. Let's do. Sorry, net mask is, and the next hop is 2.2.1, and PCC can reachable 1.1.1.1.0 with, and this is 1, 1, and 1. Okay, after that we can PCC can reachable PCA. So the net mask is 0.0, and this is a 10.0.0. Sorry, we can delete the routing table with no IP route, like this. Can copy this comment and paste like this. Before we fail to set up the routing table. So we can create routing table again, 0.0, and the gateway is 1. Okay, let's remove the routing table in the router tool, which can reachable from PCA can reachable PCB and PCC, so PCC can reachable PCB and PCA. Network and the net mask, and the gateway is 1.1.2, and the routing table from router to destination of class C network, and 2.2.2.2.2. Okay. Okay, it's successful to configure static routing in the Cisco packet tracer, and we must test again from PCA can reachable PCB and PCA can reachable PCC. Let's do it. So firstly we can ping from PCA can reachable router 2 . Okay, we have reply from PCA destination of router 2, so that we must ping PCA can reachable in PCB. Okay, we have reply from PCA can reachable to PCB, and must do to ping PCA can reachable PCC. Okay, PCA can reachable PCB and PCA can reachable PCC, and so on. PCC can reachable PCB and PCC can reachable PCA. Okay, thank you very much. This is a configure static routing in the Cisco packet tracer. Thank you.